Standard form talks about not so much y equals mx plus b, but now we're kind of having the x and y variable on the same side. You're looking at it as a coefficient next to x plus a coefficient next to y is equal to a constant. You're looking at the relationship between your x and y and its coefficients on one side of an equation. And when you're working with this, basically the idea is you're looking for an x and y intercept. We've seen y-intercepts as, okay, that's the point in which my line is going to cross the y-axis. That is the point at which x, I know my y when x is 0. But you can also have an x-intercept, which would be the idea is, okay, what is my input when my output is 0? What is my input when my output is 0? What is my y? What is my y when x is 0? And you'll see the line when it's graphed. You'll see the line when it's graphed. Maybe you have a line, a positive line that looks like this. You'll see you'll have 2 points, solid points crossing the x and y axis. This is where you're focusing your attention on. So let's say you're given a simple standard form equation without any coefficients. Okay. Here you're looking for x and y intercepts. How you do that? Set x equal to 0 and solve for y. 0 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Simple just to look at. We're picking a simple one just to look. Set y equal to 0, solve for x. We get x is equal to 4. And basically the idea here is that you have two intercepts. One at x is equal to 4. And one at y is equal to 4. And we could graph and basically get the idea that there is some sort of negative slope relationship between our x and y here. That if x is going up, in order for my constant to stay 4, my y needs to go down. And if my y is going up, then my x is going down. Some sort of, right, inverse relationship there. As one goes up, the other comes down. But let's say you get something a little bit more complicated. Let's call it, I don't want to give you guys a fraction just yet. But let's say they're giving us something with coefficients here. Okay, and they're giving us a negative sign here. Same process. X equal to 0. 2 times 0 minus 4y is equal to 8. Set y equal to 0. 2x minus 4 times 0 is equal to 8. Here I get minus 4y is equal to 8 divided by negative 4. Y is equal to negative 2. Same thing here, 2x is equal to 8 divided by 2. X is equal to 4. My output is negative 2 when my input is 0. My input is 4 when my output is 0. And that gives me again an x and y intercept where y is negative 2. Oh, that's an x equals negative 2. I'm sorry there. Where y is negative 2, and my x is 4. And I'm graphing points on the x-axis and the y-axis. their points. And that would be a graph. Finding our x and y intercepts, using standard form, graphing equations, and we do that by plugging in for zero. Feel better?